In this video, we're going to be looking at total costs and average costs of production. So starting with total costs, okay, so total costs are the sum of all a firm's costs, okay, and you can put this down to fixed costs and variable costs, okay. As mentioned in the previous video, total cost is fixed cost plus variable costs, and that equals your total cost. Okay, so moving on to average cost. Average cost is also known as the cost per unit, okay. So the way you work out an average cost is you take the total cost and you divide it by the quantity. Okay, so in this video there's going to be a little exercise for you to complete. So here's the example. Fixed cost is £1,500, the variable cost is £5,000, and the quantity is 50. Okay, so using this information you should be able to work out the total cost, the average fixed cost, the average variable cost, and the average total cost. Okay, the answers to these questions are going to be put in the description box. Okay, so if you want to work them out, you can check your answers there. Okay, so in the next video, what we're going to be looking at is average costs again, but we're going to be looking at the diagram. Okay, the average cost curve diagram. So come back next time to see that one. Any questions, leave them in the comment section below.